My name is Georg Skaret. I work at the Institute of Marine Research with krill acoustics, biology and ecology, mainly in the Southern Ocean. Because the krill fishery is very localized, and the penguins and the seals, they live on these islands, and they have their vulnerable periods, especially during breeding and reproduction, when they need to have the food source intact. The krill fishery is not going to be a threat for or a big competitor for the penguins and the seals for the food, and that is the main assessment question when it comes to the krill fisheries. We calculate biomass of krill from acoustic echo energy, and then we of course need biological data. We need samples of krill to see the length of the krill, the size, because that's important when we are calculating the biomass from the acoustic energy, to know how these animals look in the real world. Acoustics, like is used here, is the best way to see in the water because the visibility is so low. For scientists, it's more important to measure the amount of krill in these layers. So we are recording everything that we display here, and we afterwards can calculate how much krill is present in the areas around the South Orkneys. Areas around the South Orkneys is now one of the most important krill fishing areas, together with the areas around South Georgia and the Antarctic Peninsula. But the areas around South Orkneys, they have not been surveyed before we now start this project together with the Chinese. This Norwegian, Chinese, British research effort is possible because of the commitment that Olympic is showing towards maintaining a sustainable fishery for krill.